Are you a parent who loves to travel but worries about where your baby will sleep? In this video, we will discuss the best portable cribs for traveling with infants, giving you peace of mind and convenience on your trips. We will explore lightweight and compact designs that are easy to carry and fit in small spaces. We will also highlight the importance of easy assembly and disassembly for quick setup and takedown. Additionally, we will talk about durable and sturdy construction to ensure your baby's safety during travel. Lastly, we will touch on the comfort and support features to provide a good night's sleep for your little one. Search for stock footage with keywords such as traveling with baby, portable crib, and infant sleep in English language. Enjoy the video. One of the main points to consider when choosing a portable crib for travel is its lightweight and compact design. This feature is crucial as it makes it easier for parents to carry the crib and fit it into small spaces while traveling. A lightweight crib reduces the overall weight of your luggage, allowing you to remain mobile and agile throughout your journey. Furthermore, a compact design ensures that the crib can fit into tight spaces, such as hotel rooms or cabins, without taking up too much space. Look for stock footage with English language keywords like lightweight portable crib, compact travel crib, and easy-to-carry baby bed. These features will significantly enhance your convenience and ease while traveling with your infant. Another important factor to consider when selecting a portable crib for travel is its ease of assembly and disassembly. Portable cribs that are easy to set up and take down offer great convenience to parents while on the go. With these cribs, you can quickly provide a safe and comfortable sleep environment for your infant wherever you are. Imagine effortlessly unfolding the crib and securing it in just a few simple steps. Similarly, packing up the crib becomes a breeze, allowing you to swiftly move to your next destination. For stock footage, search for keywords in English like easy assembly portable crib, quick setup travel bed, and convenient disassembly baby crib. Choose a portable crib that offers this convenience and enjoy hassle-free travel with your little one. When it comes to portable cribs for travel, durability and sturdy construction are paramount. It is essential to choose a crib that is built to last and can withstand the rigors of travel. A durable and sturdy crib ensures the safety and security of your infant during your journey. Look for cribs made from high-quality materials that can withstand frequent use and provide a stable and secure sleep environment. With a durable crib, you can have peace of mind knowing that it will hold up well even on bumpy roads or during rough handling. For stock footage, search for English keywords like durable portable crib, sturdy travel bed, and safe infant sleep. Prioritize the safety of your child by selecting a crib with a robust and well-built construction. Comfort and support are crucial factors to consider when choosing a portable crib for your infant's travel needs. It is important to select a crib that offers a comfortable and supportive sleeping surface, ensuring your little one gets a good night's sleep even while away from home. Look for cribs with soft and cozy mattresses that provide adequate cushioning for your baby. Additionally, consider cribs with supportive features such as sturdy frames and secure mattress attachments to provide optimal comfort and safety. Don't forget to search for stock footage with English keywords such as comfortable portable crib, supportive travel bed, and infant sleep comfort. Prioritize your baby's comfort by choosing a crib that offers the best sleeping experience during your travels. In conclusion, choosing the best portable crib for traveling with infants can greatly enhance your travel experience. We discussed the importance of selecting lightweight and compact cribs that are easy to carry and fit in small spaces. We also highlighted the convenience of cribs that offer easy assembly and disassembly, allowing for quick setup and takedown. Durable and sturdy construction ensures the safety and security of your child during travel. Additionally, comfortable and supportive cribs promote a good night's sleep for your little one. Consider these key points when searching for the best portable crib for your travels. Search for stock footage with English keywords like portable crib travel convenience, infant sleep comfort during travel, and best portable crib for infants. Make your journeys more convenient and comfortable with the right portable crib for your baby.